Okay, we have a Master Lock Pro Series 6835. We're going to pick this and gut it. This is the bitting on the key. 5-pin. The lock does work. Okay, we'll just hold this one in my hand. We're going to use a very shallow hook pick, almost nothing. This keyway is very small, hard to get to, so got to go into it at a slight angle to get to the pins. Okay, there it is, opened. Now, let's go ahead and open it up and see what we've got inside. Oh, I just love these clips. Okay, there we go. Okay, as you can see, it is a 5-pinner. They have a extra spot for a 6-pin. I do not know why Master Lock does not, and even American Lock does not put that 6-pin in. Okay. And let's see what we have inside this core, or cylinder. There's a serrated pin. Another serrated pin. Another serrated pin. Another serrated pin. And a standard pin. See if we can get a close-up of those pins. Okay, we have 5 serrated pins. Shows you exactly how secure our locks are nowadays. Master Lock, American Lock, and several other lock makers need to make better locks. Thank you for your time. Please stay safe. Do not do anything illegal and stay out of trouble. Thank you.